News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services, Hyderabad, Energy Efficiency Services Limited, Indian Institute of Management, IIM Amritsar, the Cotton Corporation of India Limited, State Bank of India, Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, Department of MPP and Power, Government of Himachal Pradesh, and Department of Financial Services. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for filling up the post of Scientist B on direct recruitment at Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services, INCOIS, Hyderabad, an autonomous body under Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India. Further details about the position, eligibility, academic qualifications, responsibilities, experience, application procedure and other general conditions are available at INCOIS website www.incois.gov.in under vacancies. The last date of submission of online application is 10th June 2021 by 5 p.m. Applications are invited from eligible executives for appointment to the post of Director Finance on regular basis for Energy Efficiency Services Limited to be posted at the corporate office of EESL presently in New Delhi. Last date for online registration and submission of applications is 20th May 2021. Indian Institute of Management, IIM Amritsar, is the 15th IIM set up by the Ministry of Education, earlier Ministry of Human Resource Development, with the support of the Government of Punjab. After the registration of IIM Amritsar Society on July 27, 2015, the first batch for the class of 2015-17 was enrolled in August 2015. Later, on October 14, 2015, IIM Amritsar Board of Governance and Society was constituted. IIM Amritsar at present offers a postgraduate program in management. This program has been designed to provide world-class management education so as to meet the requirements of enterprises across sectors by producing highly insightful management professionals. The Institute is committed to imparting strong educational foundations and values in the hearts, thoughts and actions of the future managers. Owing to its indefatigable allegiance to providing exemplary education, IIM Amritsar has established itself as the vanguard of quality education and learning in a short span of time. Indian Institute of Management, IIM Amritsar, invites online applications from eligible Indian citizens for one position of HR Supervisor and Coordinator, Director's Office on regular or contractual basis. Last date for submission of online applications is 28th May 2021. For further details, updates and to submit online application, please visit www.iimamritsar.ac.in. It is notified for the information of all concerned that recruitment advertisement dated 8th December 2020 by the Cotton Corporation of India Limited inviting online applications for various posts published in various newspapers including Employment News, National Career Service Portal and also displayed on the website cotcorp.org.in/recruitment has been cancelled due to certain administrative reasons. The application fee will be refunded to the candidates shortly. Applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for appointment as Junior Associate Customer Support and Sales in Clerical Cadre in State Bank of India. Candidates can apply for vacancy in one state only. Candidates can appear for the test only once under this recruitment project. The candidates applying for vacancies of a particular state should be proficient, reading, writing, speaking and understanding in the specified opted local language of that state. Preliminary examination will be conducted tentatively in the month of June 2021 and main examination will be conducted tentatively on 31st July 2021. Candidates are advised to check the bank's website regularly, bank.sbi/careers or www.sbi.co.in/careers for details and updates. For complete details, please refer to detailed advertisement available on bank's website bank.sbi/careers or www.sbi.co.in/careers. IIM Shillong has been set up with a vision of expansion and mobilization of facilities for offering good quality management education and research in the northeastern region of India. The decision of coming up with an Indian Institute of Management in the northeast was unanimously taken by the then Union Minister of Human Resource Development along with the Chief Ministers of the northeastern states in the review meeting held at Shillong during June 2004. Shillong was drafted as the permanent location for the institute after consultation between the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, DONER, and the Chief Ministers of States of the region. Its vision is to become an internationally recognized management institute with a global outlook grounded in Indian values. The mission is to generate and disseminate knowledge in all aspects of management education for sustainable development and to develop innovative leaders with strong ethical values. The core values are openness to new ideas and experiences, intellectual freedom, self-experimentation and creative pursuit, adherence to fair, just and ethical practices, and compassion for others. To ensure a holistic management education and to help the graduates grow into innovative leaders of the future, the Institute provides opportunities outside the classrooms as well, be it industrial interactions, sports competitions, cultural activities, or entrepreneurial pursuits. The quality of instruction, rigorous course curriculum and exposures that the students get at IIM Shillong when coupled with their summer internship experience makes them adequately prepared and confident to face the challenges of the corporate world. Indian Institute of Management Shillong is looking for dynamic and motivated faculty with a passion for teaching and research and zeal to excel in the field of management education in various areas of management. Professor, Associate Professor and Assistant Professor Grade 1. For further details and submission of online application, please visit the website www.iimshillong.ac.in. The Department of MPP and Power, Government of Himachal Pradesh invites applications by 22nd May 2021 from interested and eligible Indian nationals for appointment to one post of Director Civil in Himachal Pradesh Power Corporation Limited, Shimla. The duration of the appointment to this post shall be 5 years or up to the age of 60 years, whichever is earlier. As regard to other eligibility conditions, terms and conditions of appointment, age, duties and responsibilities, and application format, etc., the applicants may visit and download the same from official website of HPPCL, that is www.hppcl.in. Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance invites applications from eligible and willing candidates for existing, anticipated and unforeseen vacancies for the post of Recovery Officer up to 31st December 2021 in Debts Recovery Tribunals DRTs on deputation basis. It may be noted that the last date for receipt of duly filled-in applications through proper channel along with requisite documents in this department is 30th June 2021. For details, please visit the website financialservices.gov.in/vacancy. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.